केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने आज 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए के आर्थिक पैकेज नाल संबंधित 5वीं ते अंतिम किश्त जारी की है। सीतारमण ने कहा कि देश नूं आत्मनिर्भर बनाउण लई आर्थिक पैकेज लई लैंड, लेबर, लिक्विडिटी, कानून वर्गियां चीज़ां उत्ते जोर दिता गया है। जिवें प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा, यह आखिरी किश्त 7 मुद्दों ते केंद्रित रही। इन्हां 7 मुद्दों विच मनरेगा, हैल्थ, सिक्ख्या, बिजनेस, कंपनी एक्ट, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और सूबा सरकार के रिसोर्स शामिल है। सीतारमण ने दस्सिया कि कुल 20 करोड़ जनधन खातियां विच पैसे पाए गए ने। इस योजना तहत महिला खाता धारकां नूं 20,267 करोड़ रुपए ट्रांसफर किए गए ने अते जरूरतमंदियां नूं सीधे कैश पहुंचा रहे ने। उन्होंने कहा कि हुण तक 16,394 करोड़ सीधे खात्यां विच ट्रांसफर किए गए ने ते 6 करोड़ 81 लाख उज्जवला सिलेंडर वंडे गए ने हुण तक। इस दे नाल ही निर्मला सीतारमण ने मनरेगा लई 40,000 करोड़ रुपए तो वध दी रकम देण दा ऐलान कीता है। अजिहा ऐलान इसलिए किया गया तां जो अपने पिंडां नूं परत रहे प्रवासी मजदूरां नूं काम मिल सके, देहाती खेतरां विच काम दी कमी ना आवे ते आमदन दा साधन मिले, इसलिए 40,000 करोड़ रुपए तो वध दिते जा रहे ने। इस नाल 300 करोड़ कारज दिवस पैदा होणगे। जन सेहत खेतर विच निवेश वधाया जावेगा, इसलिए सुधार किए जाणगे। देहाती पद्धर उत्ते अजिहियां सहूलतां देण दी जरूरत है जो महामारी दी हालत विच लड़न दी समर्था वधा सकण, इसलिए सेहत दे खेतर विच निवेश वधाया जावेगा।
Budget estimate for Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, was 61,000 crores. We know, and I yesterday referred to it, even day before we spoke about it, a lot of workers are going back to their villages, and we've made provision so that they can also join in if they want to enroll in Manrega. So government will now allocate an additional 40,000 crores. This way we'll ensure that during the monsoon season, and since many of them have gone back to their villages, and if they enroll, they will get the jobs. So 40,000 crore of rupees is additionally given over and above the BE. Used the technology available and therefore was able to do direct benefit transfer of cash for the various categories. I just want to quote some of these numbers now before I begin today's issue, because of the size of what is shown in these figures. The number of people to whom directly to their accounts money could reach because technology, direct benefit transfer technology, was in time adopted and implemented with such missionary zeal over the last 4 years. Otherwise, this wouldn't have been possible at all. PM Kisan beneficiaries as of 16th May, I'm strictly talking about the announcements and their impact. One-time transfer of 2,000 crores, 2,000 rupees each has reached 8.19 crore farmers, and that amount is about 16,394 crores. NSAP beneficiary, the old age and others, first installment 2.812 crores of people, 1,405 crores of rupees in the first installment, again 1,402 in the second installment. The target was to give away 3,000 crores, and that's almost nearly achieved. Jan Dhan account holding women under the PM Garib Kalyan were credited into 20 crore people's accounts, and that amounts to 10,025 crores of rupees. The building and construction workers received their financial support amounting to 3,950.35 crores, and their number, the building and construction workers number, is 2.20 crores. Imagine each one of these numbers and their implication in terms of size. And all of them received the money directly into their accounts purely because DBT was possible. 6.81 Ujjwala Yojana cylinders have reached the beneficiaries, and they were free cylinders, because we had promised up to 3 cylinders in those 3 months. To over 12 lakhs of EPFO members have benefited by the online withdrawal of non-refundable advance, and that amounts to 3,660 crores.